Online challenges for small business. Low online visibility. While they compete with larger companies with larger marketing expenditures, small businesses frequently struggle to establish visibility and attract customers online. Developing an online presence. Creating and maintaining a professional-looking website, social media presence, and other online channels takes time and effort, and small businesses may not have these resources or the necessary knowledge. Internet reputation management. Negative online comments or reviews can hurt a small business credibility and reputation. Cybersecurity threats. Cybercriminals are increasingly focusing their attention on small businesses, and they may do so by stealing sensitive data, infecting machines with malware, or conducting phishing attacks. Adapting to technological advancements. Small firms may find it difficult to keep up with the rapid changes in technology, which may hinder their capacity to compete and create. Keeping up with fresh marketing trends. It may be difficult for small firms to keep up with the most recent marketing trends, including influencer marketing, social media marketing, and video marketing, among others. Small businesses can use digital marketing tools and techniques like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and content marketing to overcome these obstacles. Also, they can spend money on cybersecurity precautions, keep an eye on their online reputation, and keep up with the newest marketing and technology trends.